while back we made a very simple J-hook out of material that most people would consider to just be scrap. I thought I'd take a look at another version of that today, starting with a little heavier piece of material, but this is not quite as long, so it's going to have some different look to it. And it's not at all going to be the same hook. I'm not going for the same style. This is about 4 1/4 inches long, 1/2 inch diameter. Exact sizes don't matter. I'm using the scrap material I have on hand, so you just need to use this to trigger your imagination so you can use the materials that you have on hand. I'm going to start our hook by upsetting the end. Once I have the upset done, I'm going to put a big dimple in the hook, and that's where the fastener to hold it on the wall is going to go. It's oftentimes more efficient to draw out over the horn of the anvil than it is at the face of the anvil. I'm going to use a simple welded up jig to bend the hook to shape. I think the combination of 3 different things happening with this hook really make it something unique and different. It starts with the upset at the top and then goes down to this bulge where we used a ball-end punch to create a place for a fastener. And then the hook tapers into a much skinnier section, finally ending with the little scroll at the end. This is a very unique hook. I really kind of like it. I see a lot of variations of this in my head, maybe with 2 fastener points. Have to be a much longer starting piece of stock for that. And maybe even fasteners side by side, which would take a little bit extra effort. Might give it a little bit of a human face look, and I think I'm going to have to try that. Now, this little vise was really handy. If you'd like to learn more about that, I talked about it in this video down here. In the meantime, I hope you have time in your day to get out to your shop, make something, but stay safe, wear your safety glasses. We'll see you for the next video.